Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 6. Students, open your books, page number 8. In previous class we were discuss plant tissue and main function of plant tissue. Today our topic is organ. What do you mean by organ? When different types of tissues group together, it form an organ. Different types of tissues group together form an organ. Underline this definition. When different types of tissues group together form an organ. An organ is a specialized to perform a particular function in the body. Now organ has a speciality to perform a particular function. For example, heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. For example, take an example of lungs. Lungs helps in breathing in and out of air. The diagram of the small intestine shown below, it shows how cells form tissue and tissue form an organ. Here is a diagram. When specialized cell, here are cells, epithelial cells and smooth muscle cells. These are specialized cells. When these cells combine together, these epithelial cells combine together, they can form a epithelial tissue. When a group of cells combine together, they form a tissue. When smooth muscle cells combine together, they also form a tissue. But when different types of tissue, for example epithelial tissue and smooth muscles tissue combine together, they form an organ. They form an organ. An organ perform a particular function in the body. Again I repeat, when group of cells combine together form a tissue, but different tissues combine together, it can form a organ. Come to the next page, page number 9. First internal organ is liver. First internal organ. Internal organ means those organ which is present inside our body. The liver is a large organ that is located on the right side of the stomach and is reddish brown in color. Now what is the color of liver? It's a reddish brown and it's present on right side of the stomach. The liver plays an important part in all metabolic process in the body. It helps in the metabolic processes in the body. Second is heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, located just behind and slightly to the left of the breastbone. Where heart is located? It's located behind and left side of the breastbone. What is the function of heart? The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. As you know that the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Third internal organ is lungs. The lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organ located on either side of the chest. It's a spongy air-filled organs and it's located on the either side of the chest. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide through the lungs. What is the function of lungs? We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide through the lungs. Fourth organ, which is also an internal organ, that is kidneys. These are bean-shaped organs situated on either side of spine. These are bean shape. Have you seen bean? So it's just like a bean shape. It's situated on either side of the spine. The kidneys filter the blood and remove waste product from the body. What is the function of kidney? It can filter, it can clean the blood and remove waste product from the body. It can also remove the waste product from the body. Again I repeat the internal organs. First one is liver. which plays important role in all metabolic process. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Lungs helps in breathing in oxygen and breathing out of carbon dioxide. Last one is kidney. Kidney filter the blood and remove waste product from the body. I think it's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.